Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your rider, cycle rider. See, that's the view I'm enjoying by waking up early. That's the view you should enjoy because this Mother Nature gave you this beautiful environment. See the people enjoying it, making their life happier than ever. You should wake up for this. You should wake up for these clouds. You should wake up for these trees. Wake up for this. Be disciplined, be hard work. There's nothing which can beat discipline, but you will talk about luck. Luck is not for everybody. It's not with everybody. But hard work is with everybody, and everybody can do hard work. So, wake up every day. Make your discipline and make yourself a better person. See how beautiful it's looking. You enjoy the positivity. You enjoy the Mother Nature. You enjoy the view around you. Give yourself a chance. Nobody wanna wake up for you. Nobody gonna wake up you. You have to do it yourself. Take your bicycle, take your feet and go for a walk. Go for cycling. At least to wake up in the morning and enjoy the nature. You are not come here to sleep your whole life. You are giving too much for that. I'm not saying you don't give yourself a good sleep, but you have to make sure that you are also being kind to yourself. This 2025, focus on yourself. Focus what are you doing and how you are doing. Are you the person who is giving his 100% to become a enthusiastic, successful person? Because there's no mercy for weak people. There's no mercy. No one gonna give you anything. You have to earn yourself. You have to.